Hey everyone! I recently dove into the world of floor drain backflow preventers because let's face it, nobody wants a flooded bathroom or the lingering smell of sewage. I bought and tested these products so you don't have to waste your hard-earned money. Join me as I share my honest experience with the top 5 backflow preventers. Product number 1, odor-proof shower drain plug. When I first installed the odor-proof shower drain plug from Cold, I was hopeful but skeptical. The design features a magnetic closure valve that caught my eye. As someone who values a fresh-smelling bathroom, I was excited to see if it would hold up against backflow and unpleasant odors. Installation was a breeze. I simply inserted it into my shower drain and it fit snugly thanks to the included silicone reducer ring. The real test came during my first shower. I noticed the water drained quickly with a flow rate of up to 500 milliliters per second, and the slanted drainage port design worked wonders. No water buildup, no odors. The removable core made cleaning effortless, which is a huge plus for me. Now let's break down the pros and cons. On the plus side, it's made from high-quality PPS material, meaning it's built to last. The anti-odor feature is a game changer, especially in humid environments. However, the only downside I found was that it's not suitable for bathtubs, which may limit its usability for some. So why should you buy it? If you're looking for a reliable and efficient solution to keep your drains odor-free and functional, this product is worth every penny. It's practical for showers, floor drains, and even sewers. Trust me, you won't regret it. Product number 2, 2-pieces odor-proof floor drain from CODDD. I was intrigued by the permanent magnetic suspension technology it boasted. The idea that the bottom gasket would automatically open and close based on water flow seemed revolutionary. I installed it in my laundry room and I was pleased to find that it fit perfectly in the 1.5 to 2.0 inch drainage pipes. The craftsmanship of the ABS and silicone materials made me feel confident in its durability. After a few uses, I noticed the odor-free experience was maintained, even after doing laundry with fabric softeners. One of the standout features is its effortless installation. I had it set up in seconds without any tools, but it wasn't all perfect. The only con I could find was that the magnetic closure could potentially fail over time, although I haven't experienced this yet. So why buy this product? If you need a straightforward solution for your laundry room, bathroom, or kitchen without worrying about odors, this is an excellent choice. Plus, the 2-pack offers great value. Product number 3, 1PC 43745 Shower and Floor Drain Seal. Now, let me tell you about the 1PC 43745 Shower and Floor Drain Seal from Aliexpress. Initially, I was skeptical about a rubber seal being effective in preventing backflow and leaks, but I was pleasantly surprised. I replaced an old, worn-out seal in my bathroom with this one. The installation process was straightforward. I just unscrewed the old cover and popped in the new seal. The rubber and thermoplastic elastomer material felt sturdy and robust. I tested it under various conditions, including heavy showers, and I can confidently say it held up well, preventing any leaks or backflow. It's designed to fit snugly, which is essential in stopping any potential mess. However, I did find that it might not fit all types of drains, which could be a drawback for some users. So why should you consider this seal? If you're renovating your bathroom or just need a reliable seal to prevent leaks, this product is a fantastic choice. It's durable, easy to install, and incredibly effective. Product number 4, odor-proof floor drain. I also tested another version of the odor-proof floor drain from Cold. This one was designed similarly to the first, with high-quality ABS and silicone. The magnetic suspension technology again played a crucial role in its functionality. I installed it in my kitchen, which has seen its fair share of food-related mishaps. After a few weeks, I was impressed with how it captured debris and kept odors at bay. The installation was just as effortless as the other models, making it user-friendly for anyone, even if you're not particularly handy. However, I did notice that it could still allow small particles to bypass the gasket if not cleaned regularly. So why buy this floor drain? If you're looking for a reliable product for multiple areas in your home, including kitchens, bathrooms, and laundry rooms, this drain does the job without any fuss. You get peace of mind knowing that odors and backflow are well managed. Product number 5, internal backwater valve. Lastly, I tried the internal backwater valve from Min Improver. This was a bit different from the others as it's specifically designed for flood drains. Made from solid brass, I could tell it was durable right out of the box. Installation was a breeze. Within minutes, I had it set up to prevent sewer backups. During a heavy rainstorm, I put it to the test and it did not disappoint. The float mechanism worked perfectly, sealing off the drain as soon as it detected backflow. This feature is crucial for anyone living in flood-prone areas or with a basement. The only downside is that it's specifically for 3-inch drains, which limits its versatility. So why should you buy this valve? If you live in an area susceptible to flooding or sewer backups, this is an essential investment. It can save you from costly repairs and the headache of dealing with a flooded basement. Trust me, having this installed gives you peace of mind. After testing these top 5 floor drain backflow preventers, I can honestly say each has its unique advantages. Whether you need an odor-proof solution, a reliable seal, or a flood guard, there's something for everyone here. My top picks would be the odor-proof shower drain plug and the internal backwater valve for their effectiveness and ease of use. Save yourself the trouble of flooding or foul smells. These products are worth it.